Hi, it's Sue from Comp Family Dog Training. I am doing some doorbell drills with Milo. Good Milo. So I'm practicing with Milo, ringing the doorbell, knocking on the door and making sure he doesn't come rush the door. The first couple times I have tried this in the week, he kept rushing to the door. So this is good progress. He is staying on there. I can ring the doorbell a couple times and knock. Good boy. Very good boy. It's important to practice behaviors with your dog that you want them to do. So if I don't want my dog to rush the door when someone comes over and jump all over my guests, I have to teach him what he should be doing. So I'm able to tell Milo that I would like you to be on the place if somebody comes to the door. So before I open the door, if someone comes, I can tell him, hey, get on place, and then open the door. This way he knows what he has to do and he doesn't jump all over people. So always practice with your dogs what you want your dogs to actually do. It takes a lot of repetition sometimes, but dogs, if they are clearly told what you want. Good. What a good boy. What a good boy. Thanks for checking in.